Hello guys, so in today's video, welcome to Cap Help Center, and welcome to Cap Help Center. In this video, a lot of people have been asking, please, how can I get a profit when I buy something from GG? From my comments, a lot of people have been asking. So this is the last video. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I've made about 2 videos how to make money from GG, but still people get a different code to do that process. So this is actually my last video. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. So if you tell me to do that, like, okay, so that was it. People will ask me, how can I buy, when I buy something, how can I get a profit from buying it? And I don't think any YouTuber will show you this method. You can search on YouTube and see. Any YouTuber will not tell you the secret, and I gonna tell you the secret to make money from GG. Yes, when you buy something, maybe you buy 100 CDs, maybe you buy 100 CDs, something item from GG, you will get 20 CDs as profit. Yes. The GG side, at Jumia side, Jumia will not like send you the money or lower the price for you. But I'm going to open another site. I'm going to open another site that will teach you, like when you buy something from GG, immediately you buy that thing from GG, you are going to earn your profit. So I'm going to tell you the site and I'm going to teach you. So please don't skip any steps and follow the steps, and I'll teach you how to make money. This is the last video. Thank you. I don't really know the other African countries' currency, but I think gas for Ghana and Nigeria. Nigeria, I know. Nigeria they take naira, and let's say when you buy something from GG and Nigeria, about maybe 20,000 naira, you are going to get 5,000 naira from buying from the GG. Yes, when you buy 20,000 naira item from GG, from Jumia, sorry, I don't know why I'm mentioning Jumia. When you buy something from Jumia on Nigeria, maybe 20,000 item from Nigeria, you are going to get 5,000 as your profit, as your profit. But Jumia will not give you unless you go to another site and those things. So please make sure you follow my steps. The steps is very important. And I like to teach my subscribers how to make money online. Yes. I was having a YouTube channel. I was having an old YouTube channel about 50.3k, and I was banned because of copyright. Yes, and I've tried to send a message to YouTube on Twitter. I've sent a message to YouTube, but I've not received any follow-up. So let's get started. Okay, so before we start, we're gonna go a site. We have a site called Jumia. Let's start here. Jumia KLO full stop. So here we open, and then you tap on the Jumia icon to open their website. Oh, sorry, I have to hide this one. Yes, you see here I've already created my account, but don't worry, I'm gonna sign it out and create a new account and teach you the steps. So here, when you open the GG Ghana, let's go back. Oh, sorry. When you open the GG here, or you can also copy the link is here. I'll put in the description below. So you can also copy this link and it will open this page for you. So here, when you come here, please hit on the sign up now. Yes, and you enter your name. Let's say Hansen. Maybe let me choose Hansen Pop. Yes, Hansen Pop. Email. Let's choose what kind of email do you want to choose? Maybe let's choose Hansen Fifi. Yes, and your password is very important. You have to enter the password that you remember. It's very important. And this thing I have to tell you, please make sure you have a website. Yes, if you don't even have a website, please you can go to any website and copy their link and come and paste it here. Yes, yes. Or you can just copy my link. I'll put this link in the description below, and you just copy it and paste it at the website there. Yes. So you type now we are looking for like profit making online to make money. Like we want profit from buying things, so we will choose affiliate. And here we're gonna type our number. There's no need to add your country number. You just select your country number. Any country, you just select your any country. And so right now I'm gonna choose Ghana. And I'll enter my site and okay, so sign up. Oh, sorry, there is a informal. Okay. There is a, make sure you enter your site. Whenever you enter the website address, you make sure this thing is passed. Let me see. I have some. Make sure the https / before the website comes. Yes, that one is also very, very important. So let's sign up now. Register. Hey, sorry, we didn't enter our password. You have to enter the password again. Oh, boom. We are on a creating our account now. So right now the account we just use some account. So and we are going to log in. We are going to log that account, and we are going to our email address. We are going to our email address. The email we just used to create it. We are going to our email inbox to see, because they said thank you for registering our Jumia KLO program. As email has been sent to your email address, please check your email and click to proceed the forward. If you didn't receive, please click here. So right now let's go to our email. Let's sign out to our Gmail account. So it will open your page. Now our page has been created. So now we have created our page. So here you see they have written please update your payment information to for your payment to be proceed. Okay, so you have to enter your payment information for your payment to proceed. So you can just click on it or come to advertise. No, okay, you can just click on this. So to open this page, and you enter your site, you enter your address. Maybe if you're in Ghana, you can enter in your address. They just need these things. So you don't have to enter maybe a link or those things. You enter your postcode. If you don't know your postcode, you can also go to maybe Nigeria, and enter your postal code. So the website will give you the Google account, and Google will give you your country post name. Yes, a postal code. Sorry. So you enter your postal code and enter your city and enter the company. Select your company country. Okay, so you select your company country. So I'm gonna enter Ghana. So this thing, your postal code, the same thing you do it in any country. So if you're in Nigeria, Kenya, Togo, you just go to Google and type your country and type the postal code, and Google will give you your country postal code. So you click on submit. Okay, our payment has been proceed. So if you are in Ghana here and you want to choose your mobile money account, you can also choose your bank transfer. They can also send you the money through your bank account or mobile money. So I prefer to use mobile money account, and I'm gonna choose my currency and my number. Yes, so details say it's successful. So now left with our account information. That is the last steps to do. So you go to your task ID. Make sure you enter your task ID. Please make sure you choose a correct task ID, because it's very, very important. So please make sure you choose your perfect task ID. So let's choose. I'll choose my own. Your number. Everything is successful. They only need your tax ID. Please enter your tax ID. And as for me, what I use to confuse them, if you're in Ghana here, I just use my Ghana card code. Meanwhile, it's not my case study, but I just use it. You can also use your health insurance code to do it. Yes, they will confirm it. So just click on save changes, and that is all. So right now, your company, your accounts have been created. So we are on our way to our next steps. To now we are looking for the link, or we have to get our link so we can post it to anywhere. When anyone tap on the link, anyone tap on link, or anyone tap on the link and buy the, let's say anyone, we are way to copy our link. When anyone type the link and open the Jumia page, and the person buys something from Jumia, you are going to get your percentage. And you can also do it. That is a strategic step. You can also do it yourself. So what will you do? You just go to your advertisement. You click on e-commerce and Ghana. Click on Ghana. Now we are choosing. There is about maybe 20 something categories here. By me, I prefer to use mobile. I prefer to use mobile categories. Yes, I prefer to sell something from mobile accessories. Yes, or you can also choose computing accessories. But me, I prefer to use mobile accessories because I know a lot of people are into mobile things. Like they like mobile phones and smartphones, those ones. So right now, what I want to tell you, that if you have a website, you will click on the second line, the second button, word advertisement. If you don't have a website, you have an app, or something like that. Maybe app, it doesn't mean you have to create your app. No. Or the website, it doesn't mean you have to create your website. The app advertise means you can copy the link. They will give you a link, and then you paste it. Maybe you have a 2,000 or maybe amount of maybe followers. You have more followers, and you maybe Facebook are the special things where you can sell or where you can do those things. So maybe you have about 1 million followers on Facebook. You just click on, okay, let's do it. You just click on the select now, and Jumia will give you the link that you paste it on your Facebook page. Yes, Jumia will give you the link that so you will just copy the link, and you open your Facebook page and then paste the link. You tap on the ad, maybe upload a post. Yes, you upload the post, and then you copy the link and paste it, and then upload the post. Where you upload the post, you copy that link, this link. So you just tap on the link will be copied. So let's go to our website. So right now, let's choose website 2. So this one too means the second image. Just for the second image is to like promote like the AD, like what I just said. You have 1 million followers and you want to promote it on your website. You can also do it on your social media page like Facebook, because Instagram you can't post a link like that. You can't post a link unless your bio. Yes, or Telegram too, you can post something like this, and it's going to open like this. When you paste the link on your social media page like Facebook page, immediately you upload the link, something will appear like this. So let's go to promote via your website. So I have a website, so I want to use my website as an example. So I just copy the link and I will log into my website. And then maybe I want to I'll upload my website. So maybe I want to add, like, Google ADS. I want to add something like that to my Google ADS, like the way Google ADS appear. I will just go to my site, maybe site team. So this is how you can upload the link, or you can upload the advertisement on your site. So whenever someone enter your website and the person is trying to, when the person is trying to scroll or read news, and the person see their post, and the person try and tap on that post, and also the person buy something from the Jumia, like immediately the person tap on the link, and the person let's say he or she buy something from Jumia with your link. That's what I'm trying to say. The person he or she buy something from Jumia through your link. So that is the way you can earn the commission. That's where you can earn your commission from it. Jumia will pay you, and I've already explained it. You can go back to the first video how I explained how you get your commission. Yes, and that is it. You see, I've already did something like this. You see. So let's delete it. If you are using, I think if you are using elemental proof. If you are using elemental, that is how you are going to do it. So 80, go to 80. So you drag it there, and then you paste the code there. So boom, it appear. That is how the AD will appear. So immediately when someone buys something from it, let's see here, there's it. So when someone tap it on like this, and the person buys something from the Jumia, maybe the person buy one TV and the person buy this camera or this speaker or this, they are going to get your commission. Yes, that is it. So that is how that is how it works. That is how it works. And the trick is that you know you have pasted your link. So you can also do what? You tap the same link. And what? And buy something. Whenever you want to buy something from Jumia, use that your link that Jumia gave you. And buy something. And buy maybe want to buy whenever you want to buy something from Jumia, you can use that link and buy something from Jumia. And whenever when you buy maybe 200 cedis item from Jumia is going to pay you 20 Ghana. Yes, this site is going to pay you your 20 Ghana. This site is really going to pay you your 20 Ghana. Yes, they are going to pay you your 20 Ghana for free. Yes. So it's like buying something and getting profit from buying it. Yes. Yeah, and it is not only you. Audience also buy something from Jumia with your link, you are going to get your commission. Yes, and this is one step. This is one way you can make money online with Jumia, and one way you can make money online in Africa. Yes. So today's video I'll come to the end. I know this video is very far. Yes, and our next video will be how to do the website there, how to do our custom link, what I was just explaining, our custom link. Yes, it's also very special feature, and I'll teach you in our next video too. And our next video too will be how to make money from Jumia. And I'm going to teach you the one way nobody will tell you the secret, only copy hops. One way you can make money on Jumia, and I'll teach you how to buy something, how to buy cheap items from China and buy cheap items from other countries and come and sell it times. Maybe you buy that item from other countries, maybe 200 cedis, you will come and sell it here, Ghana here at 400 cedis. That will be our next video. So please, if you like today's video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I've already said it, I don't have to say it again, because you now see the function and the purpose of this channel. You have now seen the purpose of this channel. So if you have a problem with my video, or if you have any question, you can put it in my comment below section, and I'll go through it and give you a feedback. Thank you.